bari mu rukiko rw'abanyamakuru rwakorera hambuga nkuru ez'ekibiina kya NRM aha ploti 10 kya Dondo muri Kampala. aba NRM bashobora kubateekateekire n'okubatwaze omu karuura karikwija.
The roadmap today to guide our members on the activities that the party is going to undertake as we build momentum for the general election 2026.
Honorable Richard Podong, omuhandiiki mukuru w'ekibiina kya NRM, yagira ngu mu ngenderwaho y'okuteeza akaruuru mu kibiina kya NRM abanyakibiina bahwerwe kumanya ebirakorwe.
We shall then have structure elections, and after structure elections we shall have elections for flag bearers at all levels, starting from the lower councils up to the members of parliament and up to the presidential level. So this roadmap we are launching is going to run until we nominate our members for the national elections.
Abantu bona nibashimanya ngu NRM embekire kuruga ha byaro kandi buri kyaro kiine polling station y'okuteereraho akaruuru ari kugira ngu biine emyanya y'okuteereraho bururu omu byaro 7,200.
As you all know, the party is properly expanded up to the village level, because each and every village in Uganda is our polling station. And that speaks to the numbers that we have registered, because we register our members at the villages. And we have close to 72,000 villages in Uganda. And all these 72,000 villages are members with the books that are going to be taken to them, and they are going to be polling stations under NRM political party.
Kandi na Mayanja Rose yashobora ngu NRM neza kuteera akaruuru kaabo abarakwata bendera aha ntebe bwa chairman w'entebe y'okubanza.
Ekiri mu roadmap eno nti nga tulonda obukiiko bwa NRM ku byalo, NRM erejja kuba ekola akamyufu aka LC1 ku byalo. Tujja kuba tulonda n'abanaakwata bendera ya NRM ku kifo kya LC1. Nolwekyo ku kulonda okwo okw'ennaku z'omwezi nga 6 omwezi ogwokutaano, ffe nga NRM tujja kuba tulonda abanaabeera mu bukiiko bwaffe obw'abantu 3 naye ate tujja kukola n'akamyufu aka LC1.
Abakakiiko akakuru bashobora sente zirashashurwe okurugirira aha ntebe ey'omuntu arikwenda kwesimbaho.
The fees for nomination of those who want to take leadership in the party structures as follows. The national chairperson of the NRM party, the nomination fee is 20 million. The first national vice chairperson, the nomination fee is 10 million. The second national vice, nomination fee, and this is female, the first one is male, is 10 million shillings. National vice chairpersons of the regions, Eastern, Northern, Western, Central, Karamoja, and Kampala, 5 million shillings.
Membo ndijo wa SEC yashobora habiro ebyokwakirira mu fomu.
Abo kwakira fomu zabo nibijja kuzakira ku ihebero 2 byo kwa mukaga ku 15. Bagendo mu meisho behanditse 217 kusya ebiro 30 byo kwa mukaga. Kampeni zabo bazikore ku yakibanza ku 14 kwa mushanju.
Yagumzamu yagamba har government z'ebyanga municipality division mayors nabo barayakire fomu zabo kandi bagamba nubwo akaruuru karaterwe.
Dera karuru ebirabe nabyo kwa mushanju nibo karaterwa ka chairman RC5 na ba city division mayors omwihangariona.
Yahabura bona abarikwenda kwetaba mu karuuru ine kushashura sente mu banka ya Centenary batakareta sente aha office za NRM.
Are supposed to be deposited in the bank. You don't come with money to the National Electoral Commission, you only come with a deposit slip. And the bank is Centenary Bank Uganda Limited, Rugogo branch, and the bank account name is National Resistance Movement. The account number is 3100009003. Signed, Chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Dr. Tanga Odoy.
Nabwanyuma bahendera n'okutongoza Engyenderwaho eya Karuuru.
I hereby officially launch the National Resistance Movement electoral roadmap that starts immediately. For those who are willing to contest, Those who are willing to campaign for candidates, make sure you are within the stipulated dates and roadmap and maintain discipline during the exercise. I hereby launch the roadmap.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ivan Nyesiga wa tayari West Omuri Kampala.